This sweet little thing. I think it's a boy. This little nice one. Birchin Silky. Not a jumpy bird, you can actually hold him. I let him out so he can join the rest of the flock and enjoy himself. He's so pretty. He's not posing right now because he's bent over eating. But he'll put his head all the way back and his tail up. He's such a cutie. There's Flannery back there. Turn around. Chicka, 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 chicka. Here he is. So cute. This little girl to finish molting. That way she can be sold. Look at this Brayburn apple. Nice and big. I like these because they're kind of a winter apple. And then have some Honey Crisps. I think I want one. Maybe the small one since it's too small for this time. The rest of them are much bigger. Ooh, look how shiny once you clean it off. That's ready. Good. I think I'll pick some apples off the tree. It's almost time to start producing some of the silkies because I'm seeing boys. And once I see boys, I'll have to go. No point in raising a bunch of roosters. I'm eating an apple from the tree. They're on the other side of the fence wishing they could get some apple. Oh, so pretty. Look at that, another partridge, just like her. That's one of the moms. That's a mom too, but look, she's molting. So is that cream one. A lot of these are just chicks. You can hear their voices. There's one of the roosters that has to go too. I call him Cookies and Cream because he's so pretty, but I think I have someone interested in him and her right there. Because they kind of match Cookies and Cream. Some little chickies out here. And a little baby called duck. Look how cute. That one's so little. I think it's going to be a show quality. It's got a little chubby face. Show you guys some of the olive eggers. Look at her. She looks like a purebred Moran, but she's not. And then this girl, you can clearly tell, she's got that Americana look. She's also an olive egger. And her, look at her. She's part of the English Orpington. And she's an olive egger. And that's a purebred English Orpington pullet. These are all pullets. And over here, I have a cuckoo, lavender, cuckoo, rooster, cockerel. He's a little teenage boy. I can't wait to see how he finishes that out. Wow, I can't even speak today. He's so pretty. Those two are having a conversation, play fight. Here comes a chocolate frizzle. That one's going to be a chocolate mottled frizzle. So pretty. And there's little Flannery, so cute. This has been one of my favorites. She's so cute. Just love her color. Mine. She's a grow out pullet. She's so pretty. Chick, 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 chick. Look at her gorgeous face. Cutie. He's so pretty. And there's a white boy. These are all grow out, so they're still growing up. Look at those two talking. I'll have to screenshot that as a photo. That's a little cockerel fighting with a girl. You know why? Look at her feathers. They're forward. So he thinks that she's insulting him. That is so funny. He is so funny. You guys are funny. She's not challenging you. That's her frizzle. Oh my gosh. All these feathers everywhere. Everybody's molting. Oh, now the boys are gonna practice fight. Hello. This is my female. Your face, girlfriend. You need some moisturizer. Hi, Oliver. Hi, Oliver. Stop pulling on my shirt. The blue girl. She's so cute. She's a grow out as well. Today's kind of a cool day, so they're kind of relaxed. There's a white pullet. And a cute little white rooster. My little chocolate frizzle. And then my cute little ayam sarama. He's so cute. Oh, that was so sexy. His female is super tiny. She lays fairy eggs. You're funny. Oh, you crowed? You want to show it again? Okay. Ready? Set. Go. He's like, but there's a goose behind me. And my booty itches. Come on, we want to hear your crow, little boy. I love his little voice. He's so cute. Look at that sexy little chest. Oh my gosh. Are you teasing him? Okay, I guess he won't crow. That's the sun. He's a cockerel. He's still growing. So he'll show his chest later probably. Hey, goose. So that's the son. There's a daughter and I think another son. I'm not sure. I'm trying to make videos, Missy. This is a sizzle. Half frizzle, half silk. And she's molting. Look at how terrible she looks. Look at her booty. It's all swollen. Ouch. Quit pulling on my sweater with your nappy feathers. There's a blue frizzle. I don't know if I'm going to keep him. He's a little tall. Oh, here's my black Sarama. He's so pretty. And then a couple of chocolate girls. Look at all these feathers. That's a T-post that fell down and some fencing that I never picked up. That's the only thing about the fall weather is when they start to molt. There he is. Look at him. He's so pretty. He's all black. No leakage. I'm all sitting on the fruit tree root stump. It's so funny. Oh, there's my post banger. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. So I still have my 3 blue Sumatras. I have 2 dark blue ones and a light blue one. So she's the lightest. And this one's kind of medium because she's getting new feathers. And then there's a dark one, but she's broody right now. That's an Olance dwarf, rooster, and hen. These are cockerels and pullets. I think they're starting to lay now. There's 3 boys and 6 or 9 girls. And then over here, here's that beautiful Orpington cockerel. These 2 are purebreds right here. And they're cockerel and pullet, so they're nowhere near laying eggs or mating. There's little Flannery. He's so cute. I love these birch and silkies. They're extremely tame and calm, but I'm not going to keep them, so I'm going to sell them later on. But I'm not just going to sell them to anyone because they are very, very sweet. And some people don't appreciate that. They just want silky roosters to breed and then throw them away. Oh, look, 2 little chocolates. They're so cute. The 3rd rooster I kept in the last of the Olansk roosters that I decided to keep. So I never sold him, but I'm glad I didn't because he's kind of an orange variety. He's very pretty. I have this orange calico chest, like millefleur. I have a black and white polka dot, and then I have a white and black polka dot. And I'm reversing the color because it shows you the base color. They're eating flock raiser crumble. There's Patches and baby Huey. Looky who's mating the wrong way. Did you hear her laugh? She says, oh, and she's gonna shake off a little. There's my 3 roosters. They're always together. And they protect this entire silky flock. They're such good roosters. I can pick him up whenever I want. I can pick him up. Now that he's got confident, he kind of wanders off. Harley, he's in between the 2, but he's the oldest of the 3. I think he's the father of that pullet. Well, she's not a pullet anymore. She's a hen because she's laying eggs. How pretty this one is. I believe it's a boy. He's a splash. He's pooping too. This one I believe is going to be a boy because he's a little chicken. Look, he's as big as that female. And his body looks like a female. Or male, I should say. He's a beautiful splash too. And they're still growing. They're just little teenagers. And my call ducks in the back. I have 6 plus a little show quality pure white call ducks, so 7 of them. Oh, my favorite number. They're trying to get to the petunias. That little one there, I believe it's also a cockerel. He's white with red. So he's going to be red and white like a pile. Red pile, I think they call it in the modern game world. Modern game bird world. Normally these English Orpingtons are gorgeous when they're fully feathered. But look, she's molting because she looks brown and she's pure black. And then the other 2 are black and white mottled. And then look at my Delilah. I've had her since 2012. She's a black standard size Americana split to lavender. I've never bred her properly with a black rooster or a lavender rooster, but she's made tons of babies crossing with a Splash Moran and also English Orpington. Kitty, come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Why are you being slow today? Come on. Oh, is it because you haven't been out here for a little bit? I try to bring them out daily, but I haven't for a week. But they've been eating lots of weeds that I throw in. Are you not coming? Come on. Come help trim the grass. Come here. So this is my female, supposedly. No, it's a female because she doesn't honk. And then I have Oliver back there, baby Huey, and then Patches in the back. Patches is always in the back. Even though with ganders, you always know they're in the front. Look at baby Huey. Tap the screen, dim it down. They do have a little angel wing. Next year I think I'll fix it, but I can't fix it on him because he doesn't like me touching him. Baby Huey's that way now. She doesn't care as much, and Oliver's not so bad. He's like, ooh, yummy. I'm gonna go get him away from there. Go on. You too. Look at her wing. It's all stuck out. Next year, they'll look even prettier. So these were not pure white. They have like a hint of like this creamy color. And then she has one dark feather on her back. Same for him. This one's from Teresa. He's got the same cream thing going on. So makes me wonder about the genetics having the buff color in their bloodline. And then Splash, of course. They're always boys. And Oliver here is related to this female. Well, they come from the same breeder, not necessarily related. And this one comes from a different person named Teresa. And this is Sarah, or Sarah's birds. Oh, look at my Lansdorf. Look, I finally got a dark one. I've had that other calico color, but not the dark. And then this one comes from Lynn. And he's beautiful. But he just doesn't like me. Never has. Look at that pretty little Lansdorf pullet. They'll be laying eggs in about 2 or 3 months because they're still babies. Okay, that's it. I think I will let you guys go. Looky, looky, who's mating the wrong way. Did you hear her laugh? She says, oh, and she's going to shake off a little. Here's my 3 roosters. They're always together. They protect this entire silky flock. They're such good roosters. I can pick him up whenever I want. I can pick him up. Now that he's got confident, he kind of wanders off. Harley, he's in between the 2, but he's the oldest of the 3. I think he's the father of that pullet. Well, she's not a pullet anymore. She's a hen because she's laying eggs. How pretty this one is. I believe it's a boy. He's a Splash. He's pooping too. This one I believe is going to be a boy because he's a little chicken. Look, he's as big as that female. And his body looks like female. Or male, I should say. He's a beautiful Splash too. And they're still growing. They're just little teenagers. These are my call ducks in the back. I have 6 plus a little show quality pure white call ducks, so 7 of them. Oh, my favorite number. They're trying to get to the petunias. That little one there, I believe it's also a cockerel. He's white with red. So he's going to be red and white like a pile. Red pile, I think they call it in the modern game world. Modern game bird world.